Talaingod. The beauty of the Atamanobo women reflects in the Musa fabric that they are weaving using the abaca fiber in Talaingod, Davao del Norte, Philippines. Abaca is the main product produced in this vast highland, where it recently became the must-see destination of most of our local tourists, as they have discovered the naturally delightful sights of this municipality. The unique pattern of the fabric worn by the Musa advocates is a combination of colors, green and yellow, which symbolize hope and happiness amidst the pandemic and the afflictions of these Indigenous women. The province of Davao del Norte and the Musa Advocacy has touched and changed their lives and sparked in their hearts the hope of a better future. Musa Fabric, proudly Davao del Norte, made in the Philippines.